Hey there, fellow money managers. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to request money from friends, family, or even colleagues, Zelle is your go-to app. It's a secure digital payment service linked to your bank account, allowing near-instant transfers. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get started in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone. If your bank supports Zelle, you might already have access through their mobile app. Double check that. Once you're set up, open the app and log in with your credentials. If it's your first time, you'll need to verify your account, which usually involves a quick email or text confirmation. Now, let's get to the fun part: requesting money. Navigate to the main dashboard and look for the Request or Send Request option. It's often front and center. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's information. This could be their email address, phone number, or even their Zelle username if they have one. Make sure it's correct to avoid any mix-ups. Next, specify the amount you want to request. Be clear about why you're asking. Maybe add a note like, "For dinner last week," to make it personal and professional. Once that's done, hit the Request button. Zelle will send a notification to the recipient, and they'll have the option to approve and send the money right away. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always double-check the recipient's details to prevent errors, and only use Zelle with people you trust. Remember, transactions are typically free, but fees might apply if you're using it through certain banks. If the request isn't fulfilled, you can follow up or cancel it after a set period. And there you have it. Requesting money on Zelle is that straightforward. It's perfect for splitting bills, getting reimbursements, or handling small loans. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay savvy out there.